The double-deckers mean a lot to us at BC Transit, but we also know they've had an impact on all the people who take transit throughout Greater Victoria. Everyone likes to reminisce, so we thought it would be fun to take the original bus number 9001 and return it to its original color and design. So when people see it on the streets in its final months before retirement, from the outside it will look exactly as it did when it rolled out of the yard in 2000 for the very first time. We had to recreate the original wrap for 9001 essentially from scratch. With nothing to go on but low-resolution pictures, our designer painstakingly color and material matched the design to the manufacturer's original blueprints. Once the decals were printed, it was up to the maintenance team at the Langford Transit Centre to make some magic and take the bus back in time.